Ka Women's Cell ha ka jingitrelang ringkat pa ka Central for Historical Research Synod College ha ka pratarik uluber ka Rakhe Kyrpang ye ka Sngi Kyrpang ki Longkmie ka belatip kum ka International Women's Day. But kapang ha ka te ka Sngi ka long invest in women accelerate progress. Ha ka balawan bani shiminta da ka kong Mary GT Sangam IPS Principal Police Training School Meghalaya Umran Kam Member Secretary CRB ka belalong rukum ka kong san ha ka ni ka Sngi. Habalawan bani shiminta de kinohikai na ki college prepare ringkat ki Samla puli jong ki college Bamarjan. Layo oru ikajingkren na ka resource person Professor Amina N. Pasa, Department of History North Eastern Hill University Shillong, kabala kren mat pang syapang gajing koridor ki Longkmie, bat kabala ongru bagi Longkmie kim de ban sya nyon ben na markide ki bakraw ha ki imlang kasalang. Syuk-syuk ka college kala pelat ba ya kawe ka kon kabla tip kerteng da ka book club ka badai shibenta ban tip khambhai ki Longkmie la pelong ya ketika jingelang ha college auditorium.
On the basis of class, the higher and the lower class, as well as on the basis of gender. A woman is discriminated and looked down because she is a female. Now, how do women come up and how do women struggle to come and attain the position? That is a questionable thing. Now, even before the concept of feminism, I'm sure you've all heard about feminism, right? Different feminist movements. We have had feminists like Synod and Gail Onward and many more. If I have to name them, there are lots. But when we talk about them, when we talk about the concept of feminism, even before that happened, even before that started taking place, we have had many social reformers in the Indian context. There were people like Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. There were writers like Rabindranath Tagore, who was also a social reformer. There were people like Mahashrika Devi, Ashamuna Devi. They had voiced this kind of differences happening in society, that women were excluded. They were not, inclusive in a society. And these forms of writings met with different challenges. The writers themselves met with different challenges. There were writers also from the foreign countries. For example, the Bronte, those who are studying literature, you would be knowing the Bronte sisters, Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte. They had to take a pen name. They had to adopt a pen name. Writers like George Eliot.
It's all about myself. So it was a private victory. As in, when we become independent, we achieve greater goals, and therefore the concept of public goals. However, now that I am leading an academy and I am tasked with so many other works, now I have realized the interpersonal relationship and the interpersonal skills that you need to equip and be interdependent across all spheres of life. So whatever subject we may be, we need not remain in silos, we need not compete with each other. It is a very appreciative effort on the part of this college to have handpicked people from all departments to celebrate this day. Truth be told, this is how we should be walking towards a goal. Only then can we achieve it. This is how we will ensure the seventh habit that Stephen Covey talks about of going on and on sharpening the saw will ensure results. So now I understood that it is only with the skill of interpersonal relationship, of maintaining the team spirit, of ensuring the camaraderie that Madam was talking about in the morning. I was just listening to her. And I was just evaluating how true Stephen Covey is in each and it's deficient of colors. So whenever I go to market also, I don't see any colors other than brown or shades of brown. So when I see ladies in different shades, I really feel that maybe I should have been given some other orientation and I should have rainbow wardrobe. Unfortunately not, but I've realized over a period of time, I've realized it's not a bad idea to have a uniform. So I was wondering why at all then we were making so much noise that Shillong or Meghalaya rather wasted so much time in discussing what St. Anthony's students should wear. It doesn't matter at all. Well, this is my story, and please note the takeaway of this story is something else that Dr. David wouldn't have expected at all. I grew up in a conservative Catholic family. To say that I do not know much about Synod wouldn't be a surprise to you all. And so, with unlimited opportunities, I have a younger sibling. I have a younger brother. My parents couldn't guide us so well, so they sent us off to one place in South India. I wouldn't tell. Maybe later you could make out. Anyway, so we went there and I studied there. So we grew up. My younger brother, myself, and two of my cousins. So four of us we grew up as contemporaries. Though we were spread over two generations, however, age-wise, we still stand contemporaries. So we studied together, and we had one destination to follow, and our destination was Mussoorie. I do not know if you all are aware of the place Mussoorie in North India. So a little town girl and my younger brother, we went to this southern city of India with a dream of taking a ride to Mussoorie.